Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Now 7 times minus 7 is equal to minus 49. But this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, M means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division. But multiplication and division both have equal priority. A means subtraction, A means addition, S means subtraction. Okay. Addition and subtraction also have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now let's solve this problem according to PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis. Okay. So 8 minus 1. Now for this parenthesis, 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Now here is a minus 1 and here is a minus 7. Therefore, and here is a multiplication. Okay. Here is subtraction and here is a multiplication. Therefore, the first priority is multiplication. So 8 minus multiply minus 1 multiply minus 7 is equal to plus 7. Okay. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Therefore, the correct answer is 15. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share, and subscribe to Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.